guys, welcome and welcome back to your channel. Thanks for watching even before you start watching but this video. So a friend of mine asked me the question, how do I get a vendor on AliExpress? So in this video I decided to just show you how to shop on AliExpress, how to go ahead and shop safely on AliExpress. Let me emphasize that. And also how to get a vendor if you are a small business owner. And a lot of you may know AliExpress is similar to Alibaba. However, with AliExpress you can shop in less quantities for a lot of the products. Well, basically all of their products you can shop in less quantity, whereby on Alibaba you have to have a specific quota. Some of the quotas are one as well, but with AliExpress you can shop retail if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead right now and start screen recording so that you guys can see what I will be doing here. Okay, so here we are in AliExpress, and as you can see, guys, the shop looks so nice. I absolutely love how everything just looks so modern and pretty. Alright, so let me go ahead and scroll through so that you guys can see some of the products. Oh, these rings look very nice. Alright, so as a newbie on AliExpress, the first thing that you want to go ahead and look at when you see a product that you like, you can go ahead and look at how many people have already bought the product. So for this nice silver ring right here, you can see that 9,114 people have already bought this ring, and as you can see they have a 4.7 star rating. So you can know that yes, this is something legit. Alright, and let me go ahead, click into it. Alright, the second thing is that a lot of people complain that they receive the wrong product from AliExpress when the product arrives. Now, how to avoid something like this is that when you scroll down, let me scroll, and you see where the rings are, sometimes the price that they put up is not for the ring that you are seeing. And when you scroll down to right here that I'm showing you, you can see which product that price is for. So you always need to click on here and to look at which of the rings you actually see the black box around. That is how you know which of the rings the price is for. So not because the price is low and you see the ring being advertised, it's just a way that the vendors get to put up more of their product in one listing. So they just put it there. So probably it seems as if AliExpress do not recognize that in this section a lot of them do that. AliExpress may not realize that or something. So the gold ring, you see we're moving across, still $4.05. And as you see here, when I click on here, the price changes. Now sometimes you may see, let me click back out here, you see the ring that the black box is around. Sometimes you may see this ring, but you may see this price for this one. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but yes. So you may just go ahead and click buy, but the truth is that they're going to send this ring that the black box is actually around right now, because that's the product that actually goes with that price. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but yes, that is it. Now the second thing, now let me go ahead, and guys, as you can see, the discounts and coupons, a lot of these vendors, they do have their personal store coupon, and that is separate from the coupon that you actually get from AliExpress themselves. So you might get, if you are a new person on AliExpress, you might get around $3 free to shop. So you can even just use that up instead of actually using your money to buy something. So you can look at something for that $3 that is free shipping, so you don't have to pay one dime, and then just use AliExpress coupon and pay for it and ship it to you. Alright, let me go ahead, and also to know if these products are actually legit, always check the reviews. Guys, if there are no reviews, and reviews that actually look realistic, that means something is fishy. Now, when you come here to the review, you see that 1,674 people have reviewed this ring. That ring right there, 1,674 people have reviewed it. Let me go ahead so you can see right there. And you can read the comments about what people are saying about the ring, if they are satisfied or whatever. Oh, these are very nice. I don't see these any and everywhere. These are really nice. Ooh. Okay, let me stop scrolling. Alright, let me stop scrolling. But yes, you can go ahead, you can read the reviews and so on. Now, let me come down to the interesting part. So if you see these rings, and for example, you want these rings for your store, what you want to go ahead is to scroll down here where you see the store and the name of the store. And as you can see, this store has 10,951 followers, which means they are good in business. What else could it mean? And they have a 96.3 success rate, basically. Positive feedback rather. And they are silver medalists. So you know that yes, these are actually legit people on did I say Instagram? On AliExpress. So if you want to ship from this customer, right, you can go ahead, visit their store. Oh guys, here's a coupon. This is what I mean. So, and as you can see, this is personally from the store owner. So they say follow store and get a discount, and they are giving you $1 for every order over $5. I don't really want to follow them, so let me go ahead and click that off. And as you see here, here's a list of coupons that this store has. Now guys, as a small business, you may want to go ahead and use up these coupons, because guys, if you are already getting the product at a low price and you have coupons, what else do you need? Like, seriously? Bye. So you can go ahead and look at all of this vendors items. Let me go ahead and show you. So they sell, if you sell jewelry, as you can see, you just go ahead and scroll through, you look if you like their products. Because the thing is this guys, why I would suggest that you find a vendor for your specific business is because you don't want to know that you have too many products shipping from different vendors. So for example, you want all of your products at a specific time. It is good for you to try and find a vendor that sells all of those kind of products and then ship all those products from that specific vendor. I believe it is much better that way than to have this vendor over here, that vendor over there, blah 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 blah. Yeah. So let me go ahead. You can just look through. Now, what's the next thing that I want to speak to you guys about? Okay, let me go back. Alright, so let us say that we don't want the ring, but we would want to continue watching the ring so that we can come back and buy the ring. You can go ahead and click on this little heart. So you add it to your wish list. So even though you don't want it now, you can go back and look for the ring. Alright, so what if we actually wanted to buy the ring now? So we can go ahead and either add it to cart, and then you select the size of the ring that you want, and you select the type of ring that you want or whatsoever. You do that, and then guys, look down here where it actually tells you the estimated shipping time. As you can see, this one won't be shipped until next year. That is so sad. But then again, if it's worth the wait, then you can definitely just go ahead and buy. Then you there's the quantity right on this page that you can select how many rings that you actually want to buy, and then you go ahead and click continue. Now, if you just wanted to click buy now, so let's just say we want to go ahead and buy because we don't have anything else on AliExpress that we wanted to buy. Go ahead and click buy now, select the size, say we wanted 2 rings, or say we wanted 6 rings. So we can get 6 rings, and for the shipping cost for the 6 rings is $2.82. And as you can see, the shipping, the delivery, the estimated delivery changed. So it seems that the more you buy, the quicker the seller is actually going to try and let you get it. And this is not for every vendor. Some vendors might do that. So here you also see a button that it's important for you to click that button so that it will take you to the page where you can select where you're shipping, where you are shipping the product to. So at the top right there, that is my shipping address. So you can just go ahead, click it, and then when you click on it, you will see where you can just fill in your shipping details. That your shipping details is what you will get from the shipping company that you are using. So let us see now. Alright, so if we wait until January, as you can see, we'll only pay $2.82. But if we wanted it to ship as early as December 21st, we can pay $57 to get those rings. Wow. Why would we do that? More options, and then those are the further options. Now let us apply the $2.82 and continue. Okay, so what just happened here? Okay, so go ahead and select the payment method. Now I usually pay by card, as in my Visa card. If you have PayPal, you can pay by PayPal. I've never tried PayPal, but I just use my card, as in paying with PayPal. I have PayPal, but I've never tried to pay AliExpress using PayPal. Alright, so 4 rings, 4 by 6, that give you the total item cost, and as you see, we save $1.37. And if our order had met the limit for any one of their discounts or promo codes, you can go ahead and enter your promo code right here that was showing on the seller store, and you would get further deductions. The price would go down. So shipping, and you can see that the tax is extremely cheap. And then guys, you place your order. Now let me tell you something. Let me come back off that thing. Once you place your order, I've never seen any option to actually reverse it, because you are going to, it's an agreement basically. I've only seen it once, but I've never been to the point wherein I wanted to cancel an order. Everything that I actually buy from AliExpress, they are intended. But if you are just playing around, it's not really like Amazon. Yeah, it's not really like Amazon. So always be intentional in your purchases. If you purchase this, ensure that you look over the price to ensure that this is it. And remember, take a screenshot of your invoice. I usually, once my invoice shows up, I just take a screenshot of it, because you can have it so that you don't stress to try and find it when the time comes for you to upload it onto your shipping company's website. So just go ahead and screenshot it, especially once your tracking number is placed on it. And guys, the next thing that I want to speak to you about, so sometimes when the products are being shipped from certain parts of the world, it might be a hassle for you to get it. So what you want to go ahead and do is to select where you want your product to be shipped from. Either, let's say, China, or let me just go ahead and show it to you. So let's say that we are shopping for let's say kimono rolls. Alright, so kimono rolls, nightwear. These are sexy. Alright, so let's say that we are shopping for kimono rolls. So we want to get them as early as possible, so probably we just want it to be shipped from the US to our US address, if that's where your shipping address is. So let's say we're going to go to filter. Then we're going to, where you see ship from, you're going to go ahead and select United States. And then you are going to, if there's any other category that you want to go ahead and select, you can do that. But let's show results. And these are the results. So these are the ones that can be shipped from the US, that will be shipped from the US. Rather, oh, don't look at that. That's too explicit. Don't look at that. Alright guys, so yes, that is exactly how you will do it. Now, if you actually enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and comment in the comment section. I would be happy to know that yes, someone actually enjoyed this video. You can also leave a suggestion on a video that you'd want me to do. If it is for another shopping website like Amazon or anything like that, please go ahead and comment down below. Now, if you want to see more of my videos, please do the right thing and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell, because if you subscribe and don't turn on your post notification bell, chances are you will not see when I upload content next time. So guys, please do yourselves and me a favor and hit it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and peace out.